Number 2 of Duluth. And the reason why this is number 2, well, we could even be riding through stuff like this. Anyways, guys, till we get to having fun here, let's go suit up and let's go hit these trails. Okay, guys and gals, this is part 2. Now again, I already filmed an intro with Hugh.
You? No, not me, you. Yes, I am you.
When I thought my mic was doing good, but really it wasn't. So here is part 2 of Duluth, located in Temecula, Fallbrook to Marietta. Again, I'm going to go ahead and put in for the link if you want to touch right here on the top. That's how to get the directions to this trail. But this is the B part. Now this part I rank a 4 because of this. For the rest of this trail, for like probably the next 7 miles or more, it is nothing but sidewinders, super fun, technical. It's just a great ride. And as a previous video, you saw that was 100%. I rank it as a 5. But here, to get through, to get to Marietta, you have to kind of do this little sidewinder section. Now, I will tell you, in the springtime, this road is unbelievably beautiful. But the problem with this road is the streams. You actually will be going through water. Because there's several sections of the canals that overflow that go onto the road. So I tell you, if you have a super sport or you have anything of that nature, I would avoid this trail. This trail to me is more for like naked bikes, super enduros, enduro, Harleys. You know, if you're comfortable and you want to go through some water, but if you're really low to the ground, I wouldn't do it. Because it gets up to easy a foot of water. I've seen it before happen. So anyways, this is an unbelievably fun trail. Oh, there's a dog. Aww. Hey, bud. You're a puppy. Hi. Oh, you're a local. Ah, okay. That unfortunately happens a lot out here, guys. There's you know, because people live here, the animals kind of cruise around. So that's again why I rank this a 4. The road itself is just a blast to ride. But there is, like I said, debris. I don't want to say that as a dog. You know I'm not saying that way. But unfortunately, you could come on the road, hit a squirrel. There's a lot of wildlife that comes out here. So here's a part right here. Look at this. Isn't this just beautiful? This is just gorgeous. I love finding trails like this and just having fun. And I've done this one just because I live closer to this one. But this is a beautiful ride. Watch this tight, look at this tight right here, tight right here. Now where I filmed with Hugh.
Are you deaf? No, you is blind. I'm not blind, you blind. That is what I just said.
Was right here by this canal. And again, I really wish, see there it is. I really wish that my sound worked. I'm so upset it didn't work. Little stop sign coming up here. Oh no, not yet. That made no sense. Riverside! Woohoo! Saying about bumps, it is quite bumpy here. Okay, right here, that is right here, this area does get water right there. I'm telling you right off the bat, especially in springtime, that's water. There's water right here too. If you guys ever do it, just be forewarned that this area does get wet, especially in the springtime. You know, whenever it has a season of rain or whatever, you're gonna get it. Look at this right here, same thing.
Big day.
But then you just go, whoa. A lot of debris right here too as well. I've seen this be filled with like dirt, sand, gravel. Just have to be careful on this part of the road, that's all. But as for fun factor, 100% a 4, 100% a blast doing, and you gotta hit the loose roads. If you've never done it, you gotta do it. If the smoke wasn't what it was right now, this is gorgeous. You can just see all the different little vineyards around and so forth. It is a beautiful spot. Beautiful place to go cruise and just enjoy a beautiful ride. On whatever day you want to go, this is the ride to do it. Especially if you live in Southern California and you live in like the Riverside area or San Diego, you know, come on up to the northern part of San Diego and hit this road up in Fallbrook to Marietta. Big old bump right there. Turn, whammo. Gas it a little bit. Gotta have fun a little bit, people. Gotta have some fun here, right? That's why we get motorcycles. Whee! Ugh. God, it's almost like a jump. Look at all that sand. See what I'm talking Look at all that. You want to be careful coming on this road. That's why I always go from Fallbrook to Marietta. I always do it that way because it's just easier. Somebody was telling me that a 600 doesn't have enough power. I mean, look at an R6. Everybody loves R6s. That's why I like this more. This bike is just phenomenal. I love this little thing. I mean, even though that it's not as big as the 800 or 900, it has the power and the torque that I just need once in a while. And it's not all that in a bag of chips, but it's a fun bike. I would have a hard time riding a 300 or a 400. It needs to have more pop, way more pop than what I'm used to. Look at this. This is normally full of water. Again. Here's the stop sign. The thing that said stop ahead. That pretty much will wrap up Duluth Road. There's a couple more little twisties and stuff, which I'm going to go ahead and obviously show. But there's going to be a part that I have to split. And I'll put that on video too. There's a part that I split that, you have to take a road to get back to the main Highway 15. But in general, there's only a couple more of this and then that's it. So in all tale, you can take your time and have a really fun time doing this road back and forth if you wanted. This is a phenomenal fun road. Woo-hoo-hoo. I don't know what that was, but I'm gonna slow-mo that one. Holy moly, was that a rock? Oh well. See, a little bit of residual water. It's in the summertime. Yeah, it says dip, it does. This dip is right here, like, first time I ever hit it, I hit it way too fast. And I was like, ooh. So again, before I get to the end of this video, I can only say in so many ways, please support the channel, subscribe, like, do all you can. There's a lot of headwind. Fine, I'm just gonna go fast. Let's go fast, people. Support the channel. I'm going to keep putting out as much content as I can, and I got a couple phenomenal roads coming up. Please like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and do whatever you can to support the channel. Pass the word, because that's all I'm going to do. I'm not a stunt rider. I'm in my definite middle age, but support it so we can go ahead and make this bigger and I can produce more, so maybe you yourself might find a trail and enjoy to go do yourself. I watch like magnet fishing. Not everybody's gonna go buy a magnet, but if they did, they now see what it is. That's exactly what I want to do for this channel. It's not about vlogging, it's about riding the motorcycle and doing roads that maybe you have never done. So support it. Until again, guys, take care, ride smart, be smart,